This is why I wear gloves now. See? What the freak is that? Oh, sorry. This is a radio. A radio. How the fudge is your radio infested with roaches? Nigga, what? What? I know you see. What? Oh my god. Oh. What the oh my god. It's so nasty. Oh my gosh. I don't want to touch this radio no more, bro. Oh my gosh. That's probably what it. Oh my. What the fudge? How? What? What? Bro, I ain't never seen nothing like this. What the shit? Like, what the shit? I don't even know. I'm done. Oh my gosh, I'm so done. Bro, I don't even know if I could finish diagnosing it. Like, if I see anything move in this bitch, I'm Audi motherfreaking 5,000. Like, I'm not about to deal with, oh my god. Matter of fact, I'm about to go talk to the manager right now, because I'm pretty sure they don't expect me to have to deal with a car infested with roaches. So I'm just about to go. I'm about to, nope. Bro, I still have to diagnose it with all these mother-loving, nasty ass, disgusting, dirty ass roaches. How? Oh my god. And the worst part is that this is the connector that I have to take off. The brown one right here. And it's a whole ass roach. Right where I need to put my finger at. Roaches. Gloves for the rest of my life. The rest of my career, I'm wearing gloves. This is so nasty. Is that a baby? Oh my. This smells so freaking bad.